Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Through this video, we will continue our journey of learning basic vocabulary in the Kashmiri language. However, if you have not checked out our earlier videos that have been published already, do consider checking them out by following the link under the description of this video. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me when I speak the Kashmiri words that are highlighted in red color in the slide. Let's get started. Kroal, kroal, crust of a wound. Kroal is sometimes also called as kroar, kroar. Kraal, kraal, a potter. Kruur, kruur. Kruur is a well as a person who is cruel. So the usage of the word kruur can be dual. Kruuth, kruuth, difficult or hard. Kruudh, kruudh, anger. Cream, cream, a cream. Krakh, krakh, to cry. Kruhun, kruhun, black. Kreehnimaaz, kreehnimaaz, liver. Kroats, kroats, a big iron spine used for baking purposes. A small shovel is also sometimes called as kroats. Let's repeat these words in a tandem now. Kroal, kroar, kraal, kruur, kruuth, kruudh, cream, krakh, kruhun, kreehnimaaz, kroats. That was it in today's lesson. See you in the next one. Bye bye.